Hi my friends. How are you guys doing today in America?
Cabin lighting will be dimmed for the durations of flight attendants. So your flight attendant call button along with your reading light bulbs are located in the panel above your head. Again, flight time this morning, takeoff to touchdown, 3 hours, 14 minutes. Welcome aboard.
I think this is a nice view. What do you think, guys? Is this a nice view? It's so beautiful, cute, snowy. The plane is moving to the snow. We're gonna go fly in the sky, which is nice. Awesome.
For 2002, this is pretty good.
Gosh, look at all that snow. I might have to blow the snow away again. What do you think, guys? Should I blow the snow again? Oh, that opened. That scared me a little.
Interns are real robots.
Picky, 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 picky. So it's on. This is a pretty long video so far. My fans, how much subscribers should I get to my channel? Leave a comment down below. I'll give you 5 seconds. 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Now back on the plane, take off. You like airplane takeoffs? Well, I do. JFK? Yeah, it says yeah on it.
Flight attendants prepare the cabin for departure.
Which is Polish word for Danish people. Alright, friends. This is gonna get too bumpy. Whoa. A deer just came by. Oh.
Wait, she's not moving now. Oh wait,
I'm on Delta Air. verb. E. Sorry, I'm just reading the signs. E. Polish. E. Danish. And E-L. It stands for Educational Learning Kids. Wait, do we stop?
We stop.
Yes. Which is Danish. Alright, we're turning into another direction. We're going this way. As you can see, all of the signs, all the Danish signs are around here. You can see them, YouTubers. Right, we're gonna fly. Right, hang on tight, YouTubers. We're gonna fly. Bye bye, Danish words. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, go! We're gonna fly now. Whoa! Whoa! We're going so fast now. Here we go! Everyone. Whoa! Now we're flying. Whoa! I can see the blues. Blues. Whoa! That was a great flight. Oh, you can see New York City, guys. The high speed. Alright, friends. It's time for me going into the clouds. Yep, here we are at the clouds. You can see I'm in this